So due to that, when we do the study, so at that time having to study, we should do the study concentrately and with the mind. Whenever we do study with the mind, so at that time we can get the much more information about that. Means everybody have to, means not everybody, but everybody have the aim that I will crack the NEET, UPSC, UPSC. So for that. If you have to crack those all examination, if you have to crack that those all examinations, so for that you have to do study. And for becoming our aim, and for becoming the success in our life, there are much more things that plays a vital role in our life, like a struggle, hard work, and time management also. Means they are essential for getting our aim and our success. So whenever we get the time, so at that time whenever we have the time, so at that time we can do those all things in that time. Means the time plays a vital role in our life. Means whenever we do the time management, so at that time we can, means now this time you are present here due to the time management. Means due to the time you can come here for taking the education, for taking the much more knowledge. So for that it plays a vital role in our life. Means everybody have to get the success in our life. So we should do the much more hard work and also smart work to attain about.
Yes, I am totally appreciating you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Mokshit Satarkar, and I am also the current student of Ajit Sir is English coaching classes, learning in 8th standard. And our question is that what are our opinion about our aims? That according to me, that aim is very important in every person's life. The person who have aim, that the person can definitely successful in their life. But most of the people have aim in their life, but they can't achieve their success because they don't hard work, they don't manage their time, as well as they don't do smart work for achieving that aim, as according to me. But by doing those all things, such as time management, is also important for achieving our aim. And if we manage our time, so that time we can do our anything perfectly in a day, as well as we can do study with the mind in our life. And by doing study with the mind, we can achieve our aim. And we should not study with just for fun, but with the mind. That time we can achieve our aim as a person. So what can you say about this?
I'm also appreciative with it. You have to tell this one also one right. The aim is the most important having living life in our student life. So firstly introduce myself. My name is Poonam and I am learning 8th standard. So let's start our topic. So why the aim important having living life. Aim is the most important having living life in a student life. The aim is the most important. Just if you have to do the study just for fun, you don't do study with the mind, so you cannot crack any exam. You cannot crack the NEET, JEE, because this exam is not a simple. This exam is a competitive exam. In the competitive exam, just to time management and the doing study with the focus, this is important in this exam. So if you have to any aim, so you can crack this aim with the mind, and you can do study of for doing the for. Yeah, as you told that means every student would do study as a just for fun. But we should not do study as a just for fun, because means it is not our means it is we should not do study just for fun, because everybody have to get success in their life. To earn money means everybody are going towards the success, going towards the each and every field. Means now this time everybody have to get success in their life for earning the money. Means if anyone that I will crack the CT, NEET, JEE, etc. So for that the hard work also important. Hard work is also essential. Means we think that I will crack this exam, I will crack that exam, but by thinking we can't complete our
Yes, you
dream.
also know that with the hard work, that smart work is also important, as according to me, because by doing smart work we can save our time, and that time we can achieve our goals that we have in our life, and from start to finish we have one aim or more than one aim. But to achieve those aims, we have to do that work. We have to do study perfectly, as according to me. And by doing those all things, we can achieve our aim. But most of the people have their aim only just for earning money. So according to me, that we should not have a high aim to earn only money, because that in this era that people only give value to money, but that achieving the aim has most value than the money, as according to me.
Yes, sir, in the model era, the competitive exam is the most beneficial for us. In the competitive exam, we crack the NEET, GEE and CET. You have to get the lots of marks. Just in the last year, in the NEET, 720 marks get lots of students. So according to the me, for doing hard work, you can achieve your goal. You have to do lots of hard work for achieving your goal. You do the time management for doing our achievement.
Yeah, the lots of things plays a vital role in our life. Means whenever we have to get the achieve success in our life, so much more things plays a vital role, like as time management also, hard work, smart work also. Means smart work is that means whenever we do the hard work, so at that time by finding some solutions to do that work, we should do the hard smart work, because due to smart work we can save our time also. Means now this time, means in this era the everybody use the mobile, so due to mobile we can distracted everywhere. Means we would look the reach. Yes, so you have to say that many another people lose their confidence due to the mobile. So you should also have confidence, and you should also have believe on yourself to achieve your aim. So lastly, I thanks for sir to giving this us a golden chance. So thank you, sir.